I am Quan Yin speaking from the garden. I am Quan Yin speaking of the compassionate nature in yourself. Compassionate nature in yourself. You can find the compassion vibrating through my heart. You can find the compassion vibrating through my heart to your heart. This can transmutate many poisons. You can walk through the material world, the contracted aspect of the material world, the destruction. You can walk through the disease, the pain, the clamped hand around your wrist, the guns, the bombs, the shutting down. You can walk through those with comfort and ease because you begin to understand your own nature. You begin to understand the divine through being compassionate with yourself. When you are compassionate with yourself, it falls into the vibration of compassion for others. When you are compassionate for the self, your compassionate nature extends to all humanity. When you understand your humanity with forgiveness, with love, without self-criticism, then you understand the humanity of others even when they seem inhumane. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. You are walking in a world. You are in a world. You are floating in a world. You are learning to move in the world. Oh, dear sister, I speak to you of choices that you will be making. Go to the earth and listen. Listen to the sound of the earth. You have a capability of hearing the earth, the music deep within the earth. And from this place, the music swells, and you will know where to go. There is nothing wrong with seeking guidance from others, but remember, your deepest knowing is in your heart. And when you root the heart through your body, the heart chakra exists where you think of it as number 4 in the Vedic astrology. The heart chakra traveling through the power chakra, traveling through the emotional child creative center, traveling through the root deeply into the Mother Earth, is amazing. Visualize this, my dears. The heart chakra traveling in that way is a root that you are placing in the earth that creates an amazing flowering within your heart and your being. You can visualize that however you wish to right now. You can hold your palms open. You can think of the flowers that have been popping up as the weather has gotten warmer and the earth is relaxing. And you can imagine the flower popping open in your heart, for you are rooting deeply through compassion with yourself, through your compassionate nature. You are rooting deeply creativity into the earth. You are rooting deeply a purity in the earth, an innocence or an inner sense that allows you to be here knowing that everything is perfect. Knowing that everything is perfect. And remember, it's the perfection vibration that we spoke of earlier. It's the perfection that humanity does not understand because it pictures perfection. It's the perfection of a raw material that brings ease, comfort, joy, love. Perfection is a feeling of knowing that it's all right. And each one of you has had that feeling despite the fact that your mind has tried to list the problems to you, tried to show you what pain and sorrow is, and why you should be in pain, and why you should be sorrowful. This is not necessary. This, my dear ones, is not necessary. I am Saint Germain. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain. I am Quan Yin. I am Lord Sananda. I am Michael. I am Gabriel. I am Lord Battalion. I am Saint Francis. I am Sophia. I am Paccio Mama. I am Quan Yin. I am Mother Mary. I am the compassionate one. I am Avalokitesvara. I am the compassionate one. I am white Terra. I am green Terra. I am blue Terra. I am red Terra. I am Kali. I am Demeter. I am Venus. I am Aphrodite. I am Diana. I am wisdom. I am the mother, and I am love. The vibration of the mother merges with the vibration of the father. The matriarchal and the patriarchal vibrations dissolve. Each one had to go through a process of breaking down and dissolving to create the new vibration and energy, to create the light of compassion, to create a human vehicle that would hold a different vibration of energy. You are vehicles that are changing. You are changing the human vessel you are in. You are changing the material. You are changing. You are doing things that you never thought you could do before. Focus on that. The things that you have accomplished since you have opened your heart to compassion for yourself, since you have opened your heart to spirit. Stop looking at what your picture of perfection and accomplishment is, and rather just be with yourself in purity, in compassion, in beingness for the moment. Just for the moment. For this very moment.